to be doing a porcelain doll. This is Halloween, actually Halloween, okay, fall and Halloween mixed. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the pictures. Well, I have 3 different pictures that I'm going to be incorporating. This one here mainly is what I'm going to be actually redoing. So I'm going to be referencing here, you guys, and let me set my mirror up so I can be looking. So yeah, I did go ahead and do my makeup off camera, you guys. So my base is done, brows done, okay, that's it. Everything else I'm gonna go ahead and do here on camera. So I'm gonna shut up, okay, I'm gonna mute this mouth so y'all can go ahead and watch the video. By the way, thank you guys for all those new subscribers who have subscribed to my channel. I do appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. And to my returning subscribers, I appreciate you guys as well. Don't forget to, you know, smash the like button on this video if you do enjoy this video, you guys. And yeah, I'm still rambling. Let's get right on into the video, okay? Okay, you guys, let's get started. So I'm going to be using my Profusion palette, and I'm going to take this color Madly, and I'm going to place this color in my crease area, and I'm going to just blend that out using windshield wiper motions. So I'll just let you guys keep watching. With the same palette, I'm going to go in with my second color, and I'm going to place this on my lid. I'm going to use the color Bite, right? I'm going to use that color all over my lids, you guys, on the outer corner. I'm not going to go inside the eye. I'm going to place it just on my outer corner of my eyelid. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pack that on, you guys. And now I'm going to take the color Devoted, and I'm going to place that in the inner corner of my eyes, you guys. So I'm going to make kind of like a gradient effect, and these are kind of pink, bronze, brown, I don't really know, you guys, but it really set really good with this look. So I'm just going to go ahead and place that in the inner corner of my eyelid. Last but not least, I'm going to take this color Peachy, I think it was, and I'm going to place this in my tear duct, you guys, to make it just pop a little bit. You know, I want to go a little bit of glow right there. So I'm going to just blend everything all the way together so everything is smooth. And then I'm going to take my Smoke and Mirrors. This is a eyebrow pencil, or actually you can use it for whatever, but it has black and white, so I'm going to use the white part, and I'm going to go ahead and line my waterline, and I'm going to also drag that color down underneath my eye, because I want to basically make sure that the eye is opened up. We are going for a doll-like look. So yeah, excuse me, something that went in my eye, y'all, and y'all gotta be careful when using makeup, because my eyes are really sensitive. So when I get stuff in my eyes, it is just not the business. So again, I'm placing this color all underneath my waterline and dragging it along my eye. Now I did find that when I put my makeup on and I tried to put the color on top of it, it was turning brown. So I'm gonna go back in with my Wet n Wild, I think it's Wet n Wild. It's my Wet n Wild paint pots, and I'm going to use the color white, and I'm going to actually overlap that on top of the pencil that I put down. So I'll just let you guys keep watching. The moment we have all been waiting for, time to draw these cracks in the face, you guys. This is a very tedious job, so I suggest get you some wine, some popcorn, and get started. But I'm just gonna go ahead and carve out, just basically referencing back to those pictures that I showed you in the beginning of the video, and I'm gonna go ahead and carve out where I want my cracks to be, and I'm gonna fill that in. I am using my Wet n Wild paint pot in black. So I'm going to add my cracks, and then I'm going to actually finish it off with black eyeshadow. So I'll just let you guys keep watching as I finish this look off. are a third of the way done, honey, and I'm gonna take my white paint pot and I'm gonna actually line the outer portions of the cracks. This is just to basically give it like a pop, you know, a little bit of extra color to it to make sure it's like defined basically. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm also gonna go in with the same color that I used on my outer corner of my eye, and I'm gonna actually, you know, blend that in on the sides of my cracks just to make it a little bit more three-dimensional. You want this look to basically pop out, so that's what I'm going to do here. So I'll just let you guys keep watching. By the way, y'all, I am not naked, okay? For those who are like, she naked, no, she not. She has on clothes underneath. I'm just gonna go ahead and paint my body down. That's the reason why I have my body exposed on the top area, because I'm gonna be painting my shirt on since we don't have no clothes really. You guys, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lip color. I'm using two colors from the Smoke and Mirrors lip matte lipstick. So yeah, you guys, I did go ahead and finish the rest of this look off camera just because I was running out of memory. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the touch-ups. As you can see, I did go ahead and paint some of my shirt on here, you guys, you know, just to complete the look off. So yeah, you guys, I did go ahead and, you know, put my lashes on the bottom of my eye and then a top. And y'all forgive me because my dogs, the animals, always want to do the most when I'm trying to film a video. Like, really? So yeah, y'all, back into the video. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the look off, you guys. I do hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, you already know what to do, you guys. Thumbs this video up, subscribe to the channel if you have not already done so, and also share this video with a friend, honey. And here goes the final look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay tuned.